full lace. Full lace, y'all. Ain't no tracks up in here. No tracks at all. So yes, full lace Brazilian water wave, 20 inches, a color number 1. The cap size is medium. Always get medium cap size. The lace color is medium and it's 130% density. So yeah, as you can see, it's just right. The curls are water wave. And I got them to pop like I always do, just using good old water and mousse. I hate hair in my face, and plus the hair just be falling like right up in here and it just do not look right. You need to frame and cut, and this is just so much better. It looks so much better. The hair is up and out of your face, and these curls are beautiful here. So this is WoWEbony's box, and then so here go the details of the wig right here, right there on the tag.